Red Bull KTM Factory Racing celebrated a successful weekend at the Grand Prix of Galicia, securing 3 podium finishes in the 6th round of the MXGP 2024 season. The event was held at the Circuito Municipal Jorge Prado in Lugo, northern Spain, a venue named after the reigning MXGP champion and hosting the FIM World Championship for the first time. Jeffrey Herlings made a strong comeback, finishing 2nd overall in the MXGP class with 4th and 2nd place finishes in the motos. This marks his highest classification of the season so far. Herlings demonstrated consistent pace and capitalized on Tim Geiser's late crash in the 2nd moto to secure his podium position. In the MX2 class, Andrea Adamo delivered an impressive performance by winning the 1st moto and finishing 4th in the 2nd, earning him 2nd place overall. This marks Adamo's return to the podium since the Spanish Grand Prix, the 2nd round of the season. His teammate, Liam Everts, continued his streak of podium finishes with a 3-2 scorecard, securing 3rd overall despite battling illness throughout the event. Everts' consistency has placed him 3rd in the MX2 World Championship standings. Sasha Konen showed promising speed and secured 6th overall with finishes of 6th and 7th in the MX2 class. Konen led the qualifying race but crashed on the last lap, impacting his overall result. Nevertheless, his performance was strong and demonstrated his potential for future races. In the EMX 125 class, Gandoensen finished 7th overall, including a top 3 moto result, showcasing the depth of talent within the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing team. Additionally, Cas Vok used a free weekend in his EMX 250 schedule to compete in the MX2 class, finishing 11th overall with solid results. The Circuito Municipal Jorge Prado, with its soft terrain and compact layout, attracted many Spanish fans. The weather conditions in Lugo were favorable, providing a stark contrast to the rainy and muddy conditions faced in Portugal the previous weekend. Saturday highlights. Jeffrey Herlings finished 3rd in the Ram qualification heat after a competitive battle with Romain Febre. Sasha Konen narrowly missed victory in the MX2 qualifying race, securing 3rd place after a minor error. Liam Everts and Andrea Adamo struggled with their starts, placing 11th and 16th, respectively. Sunday highlights. Jeffrey Herlings' consistent performance earned him 2nd overall in the MXGP class, benefiting from Tim Geiser's crash. Andrea Adamo's victory in the 1st MX2 moto and 4th place finish in the 2nd secured him 2nd overall. Liam Everts' resilient 3-2 performance secured him another podium, maintaining his strong championship position. Sasha Konen's 6th overall in MX2 reflected his promising speed and potential for future podium finishes. The MXGP series continues with its 3rd consecutive race weekend at Saint-Jean-d'Angely for the Grand Prix of France, where another large and enthusiastic crowd is expected.